Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reorder clips on Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to click the subscribe button and leave a comment. So let's begin. So first, we will be needing to simply creating a new project, and to do so you will be needing to click on this plus sign, and you will be allowed to select the footage or clips that you want to include into your timeline. So let's just choose some kind of multiple projects or multiple clips, and I'm just going to click on done, and now we have these clips. So as you can see, we have these three clips on our timeline and we want to reorder them. All we will be able to do is, for example, to click on replace, and that would take you to the gallery, and from there you can replace it with something else. For example, this one, and I'm just going to click, it was the same image, so I'm just going to replace it with this one. And as you can see, now it has been replaced, and then you can replace it with the same uh, videos that you would like to reorder them with. And that's the only way how you can be able to start changing between or reordering between your clips. All you will be able to do is to start replacing them, and then you can choose the clip that you want to replace it with or to reorder it with. And here I'm just going to choose again the dollar sign, and for this one it will become the face uh, video, and I'm just going to choose this clip, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.